This is episode 1 of Destroying a Nokia. Many iPhone users and other users know that Nokias are physically unbreakable. Let's see if that's the truth. So I got a Nokia right here. Really old, hasn't used it since 2008, 5 years. And no service. I don't really need this phone anymore. So let's see if it survives the throw test. And I'm a certified baseball player, travel baseball, so I can throw it hard. Okay. Awesome, you could hold the camera. Okay. Hold it back. Oh. It doesn't mean it's broken. Many phones do that. As you can see, the phone comes in many pieces. I mean, that's simple. This isn't gonna break, of course. I mean, maybe little chips, but it doesn't mean it breaks. So let's put the battery back in and see if it is working. Yep, it is working. You see? Well, physically impossible for throwing it up, but let's see the next test. Well, let's get all the pieces and put it back together and see if it comes back to life. Did the battery come out? Oh. It's unbreakable. I wish Android phones were this unbreakable. Yeah, I'll have to do that.
It's like my grandma's phone. Except not as broken.
It's the moment of truth. It'll work. Just.
Did I put the battery in backwards?
What? I don't know. I don't think it's working. Let's see. Hold this.
I'm gonna put the battery in now.
Maybe. Battery's definitely dented. I don't know. I don't know if it's broken. Maybe it's not working. Maybe it's just out of battery, but I don't know.
Let's go charge it.
Yeah, let's go charge it. If it works, then I'll be really happy because I have some important stuff on there from when I was 9. Oh crap! BB gun! Oh shoot! Close the garage! Close the garage! Close the garage! Close it! Close it!
How?
Right there! Right there! The big button! Get it! Get it! Get it! Okay, there's a bird in my garage. Okay, I'm gonna name this video like Nokia destroy test and bird in garage. I'm gonna shoot this freaking bird. No! Damn it!
What, did the bird get out?
Yes. Whatever. Well, I guess I won't name it that. But let's go inside anyway. This is my BB gun. Pretty awesome. He killed that bird. It knows how to get out of things, though. Let's go charge it. I was mad. Okay, here's the charger. It's really long. Oh my god.
What?
The gig. Okay, it's the moment of truth. I think it died. I think our Nokia is in fact destroyed. The outside is not, but that sucks. It's a lie, but well, maybe. Still looks good.